So, you tell people to be careful when they sign up for credit repair in a lot of your videos because people will send the client's personal information to other countries. And I could not agree more. The problem is it's exactly what you're doing. So why do you always talk bad about things that you're doing? Like, make it make sense. We're trying to figure out, what's going on up here, but again, I agree. Don't sign up with somebody if they're sending your personal information to a VA named Tammy in another country, because those VAs get paid dirt cheap. So they sell your client's personal information. Just check out this next clip.
Beautiful scores. Remember, this customer had 388 items deleted. Okay. Look where we took his score. Beautiful, right? Okay, let's look at the most recent report. I'll make another update for this guy to show you we've removed the other bankruptcies. This is a process. This is a process that we use. The process works. We've seen it over and over again. So let's go. Look at that. Removed. It's off of Equifax. Now we're going to get off Experian. Tammy, did you dispute the BK on TransUnion and Experian yet using the case study dispute? The Exhibit A dispute yet?
Yeah, sure. I will.
Okay. So about 14 days, you think that will be removed?
Yeah, I wish.
So again, make it make sense. You're absolutely correct. You should not sign up with a credit repair company that is going to send your personal information to another country. Pinnacle Credit Repair and the CEO of Pinnacle Credit Repair, they are sending your personal information to a VA, which is a virtual assistant in another country. They take that information and do whatever they want with it. If y'all have any questions about this video, leave it in the comments. Hope y'all have a great afternoon.